Good morning, students. Welcome to our GK class. I am Rangarao. In the previous class, we have learned about some beautiful flowers. Today, we will get to know about some predatory birds. Open your GK book, lesson number 2, Birds of Prey. Birds of prey means birds which hunt and kill for food. A bird of prey is a large bird that hunts and eats other animals. It is also known as a raptor. Raptor is a carnivorous, means meat eating bird. All raptors have keen eyesight, 8 sharp talons, a hooked beak, uh, raptors have powerful hooked beaks for tearing flesh. They have keen eyesight for detecting food from a distance or from a height while flying. They have strong feet with talons for grasping or killing prey. Raptors eat insects, fish, rodents, snakes, frogs, birds, and even small mammals. Raptors include species such as eagles, hawks, kites, falcons, vulture, and owls. Let us know about some raptors. Bald eagle. The bald eagle builds the largest tree nests. It appears bald because of the white feathers on its head. It is both the national bird and national animal of the US. Steller's sea eagle. Steller's sea eagle is the heaviest eagle, weighing 5 to 9 kg. It has dark brown feathers with white wings and tail. Its beak and talons are yellow in color. The Philippine eagle. The Philippine eagle is considered the largest eagle in terms of length and wingspan. It is the national bird of the Philippines. Kites. Kites have long wings and weak legs. They mostly eat rotten meat of dead animals. Some also eat insects, rodents, and reptiles. The red brown Brahmini kite found in India eats fish and garbage. Hawks. Hawks are diurnal raptors. Diurnal means active by day. There are more than 200 varieties of hawks in the world. They have excellent hearing and eyesight. Some species of hawks can migrate over thousands of kilometers each year. Falcons. Falcons have a large head, powerful, short, and notched beak, and distinct stripes below their eyes. They are powerful flyers and divers. The peregrine falcon is the fastest flying bird in the world. It can reach speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour during its dive. Owls. Owls typically have large, round heads with front-facing eyes. They can rotate their heads by about 270 degrees. There are around 200 different owl species. The owl is a nocturnal bird, means it is active at night. The brown owl is the most widely distributed species of owls found in most parts of the world. Vultures. Vultures are large birds with a long wingspan. Since vultures have weak feet, they cannot hunt food. They mainly eat rotten meat of dead animals. The Indian condor is a large black vulture with a maximum wingspan of 3.3 meters. It is the largest flying bird of prey in the world. It is the national symbol of many South American countries such as Argentina, Chile, and Peru. That's all about the raptors. Now come to the exercise. Are the following statements true or false? Write T for true or F for false. Number 1. Raptors are the only birds that eat meat. False. Number 2. Owls can catch prey even if they cannot see it. True. Number 3. Male birds of prey are usually larger than the female birds of the species. False. Number 4. The rare California condor is one of the world's longest living birds. True. Number 5. The osprey is a raptor that eats only fish. True. The vulture hunts at night. True. Number 7. Storks and herons, which eat fish, are birds of prey. False. Number 8. Raptors are found on all the continents except Antarctica. True. Owls have extremely sensitive hearing but no sense of smell. True. Number 10. All birds of prey have dense, heavy bones. True. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.